How to delete pages in Word document. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn how you can delete a page in your Word document. So without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. Start by opening up your Word document. And as you can see that there are altogether 4 pages. In case you would like to delete any one of these pages, simply click onto the view option from your top page, then click the box that says navigation pane. Then go on to pages tab. It will show you all the pages. Simply click onto the page that you would like to delete. And as you do so, the pages will be deleted and you will only see all the pages that you have kept in your Word document. Just like so, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. In case it had helped you in any ways, then make sure to like and subscribe. We will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this.